Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. So, I have a really great tip to share with you today on my Wait, What? Wednesday tip video. And I've kind of shared this tip I think once before in the process of making a video, but I thought I would make it exclusive because it is worthy. And again, I love to share tips with you that have saved me a lot of frustration. So let's flip the camera around and I'll show you my nifty tip for this week. Oops. So you're going to find that my desk is kind of a mess right now. I was not really prepared to be making a video right now. But as you know, when I run into little issues and I think, gosh, that would be a great thing to share with everybody, I'm going to do it right now. So I am actually getting ready for a project tutorial that will be coming to you on March 1st with the Stamping Society. There's going to be a little blog hop, and I'm going to be sharing a card made with the Timeless Tulips bundle. And then that is also part of a special tutorial. Now, if you place an order with me, I give you that tutorial as a gift, or you can purchase it for $7, but it has 6 different ideas using the same bundle with 6 exclusive video tutorials. And that means that they're not shown in the public. You won't find these anyplace else. They're exclusive to this tutorial. So back to my original issue here. Okay, I am designing a card right now, and I don't know if this is exactly where I'm going to go with this, but it's a start. And what I found is that I have some type of glob right here and right here. Now, rather than scratch this and start over, I'm going to bring out my handy dandy sand eraser. Now, this is a mono eraser. I get these from Amazon. I am just going to take this eraser and see if I can erase this little mark on my card. And it is getting lighter. Oh, I probably should have showed it to you because you probably can't even see it. Can you see it? It's still there. It's getting smaller. But you can take this sand eraser and you can erase little marks. Like if you happen to get a little bit of glue on, or glue, a little bit of ink on your card, you know how that can ruin things, right? Then we usually figure out a way to fix it rather than just discard what we've done already. And it usually happens when you're done with your project because, well, that's Murphy's Law. I don't know who that Murphy person was, but he had a lot of bad luck. And look at both of my little marks are almost completely gone. I'm just going to do a little bit more here. Sorry if my table's wiggling. It's not the most stable thing in the world. And I see I've got a little mark right there. I've got little marks everywhere. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I was doing here. This looks like a little mark too. Kind of making a slobby little mess, I guess. Oh my gosh, look at. No more marks. There's no marks anyplace. So get yourself a sand eraser. You can, I'm sure you can find these at office supply stores, but I got mine on Amazon. And I just so happened to order quite a few. So I've got 15 here, and I will be sending these out as a thank you gift to the next 15 people that order. So if you put an order in with me and you are in that first 15, you're going to get one of these erasers. Happy to help. You're welcome. All right, you guys, don't forget today is Wednesday, and I share a joke of the week on my blog. You're going to find that link right up here. Click there. It'll take you right over to my blog. You're also going to find the host code in the right-hand column or right here. If you're placing an order under $150, please use the code. If the order is over $150, do not use the code. You're going to get some rewards from Stampin' Up. I definitely want you to have those. And it is absolutely my duty to make sure that you know about this amazing promotion going on right now. When you join my team as a discount stamper, you're going to get the mini trimmer. You're going to get a 6x6 pack of designer series paper and also any stamp set of your choice. Make it an expensive one. It's free. You're also going to get a 20% discount on all your future orders. You're going to get to be a part of my team, which is super, super fun. You can't even imagine all the doors that open to you once you become a discount shopper with me. So if you have any questions about that, pop me an email, kelly@astampabove.com. I'm happy to answer them. Head over to my blog, get yourself a little chuckle with my joke of the week. And as always, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend with me. Bye-bye.